Hey gents, it's the blizzard of 2013! Kind of, it just barely started snowing, doing a little bit of prep work. Ha ha ha. Got some wood for the fireplace. It's on the porch. Went and got gas for our little generator. And I gotta go gather up batteries and flashlights for if the power goes out, and we should be all set. Hopefully it doesn't, but we'll see what happens. I'll spend the rest of the day shoveling tomorrow. It'll be great. Well, it's almost 3:30 and it's still snowing. Still coming down. We got a couple of inches out there. As it stands, we're all just kind of hanging out, enjoying a day inside.
And I'll tell you how much snow there is outside, okay? Go! Wow.
Alright, it's the morning after the blizzard, and we got a little bit of snow. And it's kind of hard to tell, but that's actually a snowdrift up to the bottom of the window.
Hey.
And if you look out here, I have some shoveling to do. It ate my car. And that's a snowdrift. So, I got a busy day ahead of me. Now what? Oh no! Come on, Mav. It's a little deep. Come on, Maverick. Let's go. Alright, so it's almost 11. I've started shoveling, and so far all we have is a pathway. Not even out to the road yet. But we're getting there. I still got to clear off the car, which is buried. From back here, it just looks like a snowbank. I had to go rescue my neighbor, Patty. Her doors couldn't open. They open out, which doesn't help when they're covered in snow. Luckily, my door opens in so I could get out. She crawled out. She crawled out through her back window so she could clear off the roof, but couldn't get around front. All right, back to it. I'll check back in a little while. I did it. You see that? That's the road. That's how much snow is still on the road. And that's how much I still have left to shovel. Now if I only own a motorcycle or a smart car, that's all I'd have to shovel. I could just park here. But no. Look at all that snow. Ready? Go. That he doesn't like it.
No.
So it's about 12:30 and gotten this far, still a long way to go, and somebody off in that direction is cooking something, sausage, like breakfast sausage, and it smells delicious and I'm getting freaking hungry. But I cooked all my sausage and I can't get to the store because there's that much snow in the road. Yeah, it's about 2:30. It's time for a break for a couple minutes. Figured I'd check in. I'm getting there. Behind me, the Jeep is buried, so I'm just about to that point. And after that, it's easy, but this is about the deepest spot in the driveway. So, we're getting there. Whew. That's a lot of snow. The Jeep is in there. And my beers keep slushing up. Fun is.
Yell if I'm gonna hit one. Okay. Oh. We almost moved a little bit. Holy cow, he did it.
I was hoping to leave more snow behind.
You burned rubber.
I think I burnt up the belt a little.
Oh boy.
Bad. So that's there.
What's it like to be in a car that's covered in snow that you can't see out of?
White. Kind of blindish, you know.
Well, here's
The wipers don't work. All right, look at that. The driveway's clear. I made a big snow pile. I found my car. It was great. Now I just gotta do the. Now I just gotta do the back. I gotta clear out a path enough to get the back door open. I have to clear off the spot where the dryer exhausts out of, so laundry can happen. So now it's Sunday, and after 6 hours and 45 minutes of shoveling yesterday, everything's all cleared out. The plow still hasn't come by, and we're kind of cooped up in the house for the time being. So here we are. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and all that good stuff, and we'll catch you next time.